Namaste. So today's our topic is neuronal organization. So previously we have studied all about the neuronal organization, about what is nervous system, then CNS, then peripheral nervous system, then central nervous system divided into two, brain and spinal cord, and peripheral nervous system is also divided into two, motor neuron and sensory neuron. Then the motor neuron is divided into two as somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Then autonomic nervous system divided into two as sympathetic division and parasympathetic division. So let's start from central nervous system. Consists of brain and spine, functions, receives sensory signal and determines appropriate response, stores memory, carry out through. Spine structure. The spine cord is protected by the fibrates. Gray matter contains cell bodies, white matter contains the myelinated fiber. PNS nerve system extend outside of the spinal cord. So you can see this white matter contain the myelinated axon. Then central is the canal contain the cerebrospinal fluid. Then gray matter contains cell bodies of the motors and associate neurons. Then dorsal root contains axial of the sensory neurons. Then dorsal root ganglion contain the cell body of the sensory neuron. Then peripheral nerve ventral root contain axon of the motor neuron. Brain structure. Hindbrain carry out the most basic function. Midbrain coordinates signal and forebrain process signals, store memories, create thoughts. So let's start from the peripheral nervous system, nerves, neurons and the sensory organ outside the central nervous system. This the function is sends signal to the CNS, receive and transmit the motor signal from the CNS and stimulate the effectors. Somatic nervous system, motor neurons that control the voluntary movement by acting skeletal muscles also involved in what perceives as involuntary movement, such as reflexes, thought, voluntary control of the muscles involved, such as tensing them can reduce the response. Autonomic nervous system, motor neurons that control the involuntary response involve the organ, gland and smooth muscles. Some voluntary control over the response can come from the relaxation meditation, which reduce the precipitation of the stress and reduce the stress. Next is sympathetic division, portion of the autonomic nervous system that produce the fight or flight response. Dilation of the pupil, increased heart rate and breathing rate, constriction of the blood vessels, inhibit indigestion. Then parasympathetic division, portion of the autonomic nervous system that produce the rest and ruminant response, constrict pupil, dilate blood vessel, reduce heart and breathing, stimulate the digestion. So here we have completed this topic. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.